We've got some good news for home buyers right now, and it's that interest rates have been improving and trending downward. I'm Aaron Chadbourne from Demetria's team, the Real Estate Group, and our team has the experience to help you in any real estate market. Now, for people that watch the interest rates, a lot of them pay attention to what the Federal Reserve is doing and say, when are the Federal Reserve going to cut rates? But when you're borrowing, we're looking at a different rate. It's the 30-year fixed loan rate. That's what most people look at. And those rates aren't necessarily based only on the Federal Reserve. They're based on what's happening in the Treasury markets. And because they're responsive to what goes on in Treasury, when there's volatility, it can mean you see rates go up or come down when the Federal Reserve is doing nothing. Well, recently, because of some financial activity in the global markets, because of what's happening in US economic policy, we've seen some improvements in the 30-year fixed rate. That means that for a buyer, a borrower, when you're looking at how much you can afford based on your monthly payment, you might be able to afford even a more higher price house, or that same house at that same price you are looking at might be cheaper and save you money in the long term. This is important for us to get a more accurate picture of. So if it's been a while since we've updated your picture, and by a while, I mean, even if it's just been a few weeks, we might want to get an updated estimate from your lender to make sure we know how much you can afford. And by the way, our team has relationships with very specific lenders who might be more competitive than where we started out. It's important to have expertise and relationships to be able to compare products to get you the best deal so that we can make your money go the furthest to get the best house in the best condition that meets your needs. Look, we don't know what's going to happen tomorrow. Rates could go up again, they could come down. There's volatility, there are concerns. We're heading into an election year. But what we know is anytime there's movement in the rates, it creates opportunities. And when you work with a team like ours or any experienced real estate team, you're going to have someone with experience that can help guide you through that process. If you got questions about financing or you want to know how the current rates and the downward trend, what it means for you, give me a call. We would love to help. And we've got friends all over the country that we'd be happy to introduce you to so that if you're not buying in our market, I can connect you to the realtor that's right for you. On behalf of Demetria's team, the Real Estate Group, I'm Aaron Chadbourne.